Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the bursa around the hip joint. These are 7 in number, 4 under gluteus maximus, 1 under gluteus medius, 1 under gluteus minimus and 1 under psoas tendon. Okay. These are 7 in number, 4 bursa under gluteus maximus, 1 bursa under gluteus medius and 1 bursa under gluteus minimus and last one under psoas tendon. Okay, first see bursa under gluteus maximus, and first bursa is present between the gluteus maximus and smooth area of the hilum, lying between the posterior curved line and outer lip of the iliac crest. First bursa lies between gluteus maximus and smooth area of hilum, lying between the posterior curved line and outer lip of iliac crest, and second bursa lies between gluteus maximus and outer part of the and lower part of the outer aspect of greater trochanter. It is trochanteric bursa. Okay, second is trochanteric bursa, and the second bursa lies between the gluteus maximus and lower part of the outer aspect of greater trochanter. And third bursa lies between the gluteus maximus and ischial tuberosity. We call this as ischial tuberosity. Third bursa lies between the gluteus maximum and ischial tuberosity. This is ischial bursa. And fourth bursa lies between the tendon of gluteus maximus and vastus lateralis, gluteofemoral bursa. And fourth bursa lies between the tendon of gluteus maximus and vastus lateralis. It is gluteofemoral bursa. Okay, and fifth bursa, one bursa under the cover of gluteus medius, between it and upper part of lateral aspect of greater trochanter, and one bursa under the cover of gluteus medius, between it and upper part of the lateral aspect of greater trochanter. Okay, and one bursa under gluteus minimus, between gluteus minimus and anterior aspect of greater trochanter, and one bursa between the iliopubic eminence and psoas tendon. It is called subpsoas bursa. Okay, one bursa between the iliopubic eminence and psoas tendon, it called iliosubpsoas bursa. We call this as subpsoas bursa. In 10% individuals, the psoas bursa communicates with the synovial cavity of the hip joint through a gap in the thin part of the capsule between the iliofemoral and pubofemoral ligaments. One bursa between iliopubic eminence and psoas tendon, it is called subpsoas bursa. In 10% of individuals, the subpsoas bursa communicates with the synovial cavity of the hip joint through a gap in the thin part of capsule between the iliofemoral and pubofemoral ligaments. Okay. See this figure, guys. This figure shows the bursa. Okay, this is the bursa between the gluteus maximum and vastus lateralis. Okay, this is the bursa between the gluteus maximus and vastus lateralis. This is the bursa under the gluteus maximum. Okay, which is the largest bursa. Okay, and this is the bursa under gluteus medius. This is the bursa under gluteus minimus. This is the insertion of gluteus medius muscle. This is the insertion of gluteus medius muscle. Okay. This is the bursa. This is the subpsoas bursa between the iliopubic eminence and psoas tendon. Okay, this is the bursa present between the iliopubic eminence and psoas tendon. Okay, we call this as subpsoas bursa. And these subpsoas bursa directly communicate with the synovial cavity through a gap between the iliofemoral and pubofemoral ligament. Okay, a thin gap through a small or thin gap between the iliofemoral and pubofemoral ligament. Okay guys, this is about bursa around the hip joint. Okay, I think it is clear. In next video we are going to learn about the arterial supply and now supply of hip joint. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.